Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security here. We've just finished installing a Ghost 2 immobiliser on this BMW X5 2019 plate, straight from main dealer. Let me show you how it works. Let's just jump in the vehicle. They've done a massive upgrade on the interior from the previous year as well on this lovely X5. So again, keyless vehicle again. Let's attempt to start the vehicle. Okay, won't start. Ghost 2 immobiliser is blocking it from starting. So how we would start this vehicle is get the dash lights up like so. Got this as a demonstration button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the indications. 1, 2. Put my foot on the brake and start the vehicle. If you're interested in getting a Ghost 2 fitted on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.